Hello, eighth graders. Today we are going to review the drafting method of the Foursquare. This Foursquare is a graphic organizer that lends itself perfectly to a 4-paragraph essay. I'm going to go over the basics of it, but remember that you can do as much drafting beyond this as you would like on the day of your SOL. So, since it's called the Foursquare, the first step that we're going to do is divide our paper into 4 squares. And we know that we're shooting for a 4-paragraph essay with this organizer, so we're going to break up our paragraphs. We have our intro, our first body paragraph. We'll just abbreviate. We have our second body paragraph, and we have our conclusion. The order that you put these in doesn't matter too much. I'm going to do my intro and conclusion on the left, and my body paragraphs one underneath the other. And now we're going to take a look at the prompt that we're given. The prompt at the top says, what improvement would make your community better? Use specific details and examples to convince the mayor of your community to accept your idea for improving where you live. So this isn't an agree or disagree. It's a pick one answer and go with it type of prompt. So my answer, or my one improvement, is going to be community centers. I think that would be something that everybody could benefit from. I feel like I could write a strong essay about it. So I'm going to put that right here. That's my decision. The next thing that you want to do in your intro, I like to start with the hook. I know the thesis is a must, but I also like to write out my hook because I feel like I'm not super creative. So I want to make sure I have my hook already ready to go for me. So I'm going to go with a personal analogy and write a little story about why a community center would make a big difference. So I'm going to add our community needs to do better because remember, this is a persuasive essay. So I can start to really use my voice to express why I'm persuading or why I'm pushing for this change. The next thing that I'm going to do is my thesis. And this is really important. I want to make sure I hone in on this. The thesis is a 1-sentence roadmap to the rest of my essay. So I'm going to restate the prompt. What improvement would I make? One improvement and then I'm going to answer it. Community centers because, and my 2 reasons. My first reason is my second reason is that so I'm going to break this down. My thesis restates the prompt, one improvement, it answers the question, and it gives 2 main reasons. Place for students outside of school, and a place where everyone can get involved. My first body paragraph, I'm going to start by brainstorming about a place for students outside of school. So I'm going to put that main idea off to the side. And my second body paragraph is everyone can get involved. So I'm going to put those over in those boxes, and I'll continue on the next video.